Hello everyone. In today's video, I am excited to walk you through one of our productivity enhancements for Dynamic 365 CRM Multi-File Uploader by MTC. We all know how time consuming it is to upload attachments in CRM because you could only upload one file at a time. But that's no longer the case. With this tool, you can now upload multiple files at once, attach any file type you need, and get easy to understand alert throughout the process. It's designed to make your day-to-day CRM work simpler and faster. Think about this. If you are in a sales, customer service, or any CRM role, you are constantly adding documents, proposals, images, or contracts to your records. Doing the day by one, it eats up time and break your workflow. That's exactly what this product solves. Let me quickly show you how this multi-file uploader works. First, open the CRM record where you need to add the attachments. This could be anything like account, contact, opportunity, case, or even a custom entity. The uploader works wherever you need it. Click on the Multi-File Uploader tab. This will open up the uploader screen where you can start adding files. You can choose multiple files at the same time. Just click on the Browse and select the files in one go. See here, I have selected the multiple file types. There is no restriction on file type. You can upload any other file types you need. Or if it is easier, just drag and drop the files into the upload area. Now, once the selection is completed, click on the upload. It will show a user-friendly alert message that uploaded 6 number of files as attachments. The system will automatically create notes attachments for each file. Attach them directly to the CRM record you are working on. So you don't have to do anything extra. This is fully integrated with CRM. Once the upload is complete, you will immediately see the list of uploaded files displayed below the uploader. For each file, there is also a download button. And we click on this, it will be downloaded. So if you ever need to download any of the files again, you can do it from the same screen itself. No need to go anywhere else. Of course, these attachments are also stored in timeline or note section of a record, just like usually CRM attachments. See here, we are navigating to the timeline. Yeah. Here are the files which we attached now. The system will also give you an instant feedback. You already see the success message when your files are uploaded. If there is any issue, like a file size limit or unsupported format, you will get a friendly alert telling you exactly what happened. This uploader fits into different CRM use cases like sales team uploading multiple proposals or contact together, service agents attaching support tickets, screenshots or reports, admins managing the bulk document uploads for any entity. Basically, anywhere you can able to use this upload files in CRM. This tool makes it faster. In just a few simple steps, the multi-file uploader let you upload multiple files, attach them directly to the CRM record, and download them anytime from the same screen, making the whole process fast, simple, and efficient. If you are interested, you can download it anytime from mtccrm.com or reach out to our team at salesteam@mtccrm.com. We are here to help. Thank you for watching.